piece of cake.
Eddy, Zari, who's ready to make a cake?
Ready.
Ready, Miss Lucy.
Oops, I almost forgot. I should get my apron. This could get messy.
Who wants to put something on to keep her clothes clean?
Come on, Eddy. Let's get started.
Without Miss Lucy? Well...
Who is feeling nervous?
I could try to read the recipe.
Yeah, you can do it, Eddy.
Okay.
Are Eddy and Zari going to wait for Ms. Lucy?
First, the recipe says we need... butter?
One butter.
One milk?
One milk.
Is Eddy having trouble reading the recipe?
2 eggs.
Two eggs.
And 1 flour?
One flour. Oh, it must mean 1 bag of flour.
A whole bag of flour? That might be too much.
Who wants to put in all the flour?
Oops.
I guess I don't need this apron anymore.
Did Zari use too much flour?